Transmission line subwoofer. Our speakers are designed to provide exceptional bass, so subwoofers are not generally required. We have had so many inquiries about why we don't have a subwoofer in our lineup that we decided to create one. We didn't want to just copy what everyone else has, because our customers deserve something better. We are now introducing a subwoofer that is both worthy of a discriminating audiophile's taste and sets us apart from the rest. The Folks Audio T-Line subwoofer uses a unique transmission line roll-off at resonance, vibration isolation feet and a 300-watt amplifier combined with drivers that have a 98 decibel sensitivity. The result is a speaker that will give you ear-crushing bass from a couple of watts of power. The dual 15-inch drivers themselves are rated to 400 watts RMS continuous, which means that you could produce deep bass for the whole neighborhood to hear, without having to worry about overheating, although the 300-watt amplifier has its own thermal shutdown. As with all our speakers, all joints are mitered to increase strength and cabinets are designed to be the lightest and smallest possible. The internal wiring uses heavy gauge wire with the shortest distance possible to the amplifier. Controls for volume, crossover frequency and phase are clustered together on the side panel for easy access. There are line and speaker level inputs in addition to line level outputs in the event you should need them. 4x4x4 tower. This transmission line tower is a column of sound. Densely packed with 4 10-inch woofers and 4 dome tweeters, it sits at a height of 4 feet tall. Thanks to symmetrical made technology, all frequencies are blended together, simulating one giant 4-foot full-range speaker. If you play it at the full 500-watt RMS, into 8 ohms, you just might get blown away. With a sensitivity of 93 decibels, you will hear the entire symphony in all its glory or hear the rock band as if it were playing right before your eyes. Slim Tower. At 4 feet high, this speaker is an engineering marvel. It boasts dual 10-inch woofers with 2 1-inch soft dome tweeters and a second-order Linkwitz Riley crossover to give you the flattest possible sound. This acoustic suspension tower boasts a sensitivity of 90 decibels with a maximum power of 200 watts RMS into 8 ohms. Dual 10-inch transmission line tower. This is a clone of the Slim Tower built into a transmission line speaker. At 48 inches high and 16 inches deep, this speaker is truly a feat of engineering. It boasts dual 10-inch woofers with 2 1-inch soft dome tweeters and a second-order Linkwitz Riley crossover to give you the flattest possible sound. This transmission line tower boasts a sensitivity of 90 decibels with a maximum power of 200 watts RMS into 8 ohms. 6-foot Slim Pro Tower 2. This is the musician's or DJ's dream amplified speaker. It is a 500-watt bi-amped sonic tower, featuring 4 10-inch bass drivers and 4 4-inch square horns to give you unprecedented fidelity for whatever the venue is. Sensitivity is 92 decibels for 1 watt of sound at 1 meter distance or the same at 200 meters, about 250 feet, at 500 watts. 4-foot Slim Pro Tower 2. This bi-amped 48-inch tower features a 500-watt amplifier with a 24 decibels per octave active crossover to make sure the power goes where it is needed. Made technology gives you the added power without the hefty price. Drivers run cooler because the power is distributed. Quad cone tweeters means you have enough high-frequency sound pressure level to ensure the top end of the frequency spectrum is not going to be ignored. 4-foot Slim Pro Tower 2, horn tweeter. This bi-amped 48-inch tower features a 500-watt amplifier with a 24 decibels per octave active crossover to make sure the power goes where it is needed. Made technology gives you the added power without the hefty price. Drivers run cooler because the power is distributed. A 5x15 horn tweeter rated at 110 watts, with 103 decibels sensitivity, means you have enough high-frequency sound pressure level to ensure the top end of the frequency spectrum is not going to be ignored. All drivers are rated at the FTC RMS continuous power output specification, that will ensure long hours of use without overheating, which is important, because overheated drivers lose their sensitivity.